Hello, ladies. I'm Cher Canada, founder and CEO of Shecanlove, this beautiful boutique located here in Naples. And I am so excited because we've got the fabulous Brittany Lund here today, and she's going to talk about her amazing event, Ignite, to uplift women.
Yes.
Go for it, Britt.
Well, Cher, you have this place where people come to Ignite and look beautiful and feel comfortable in their skin. And I'm about the inside. I'm about really igniting within and feeling really comfortable with who you are. So when you're wearing your clothes or you're interacting with your family or you're out there in the world, you know how much you matter. You know your worth. You know how much you love yourself, and that light shines. And that's what this event is about. It's igniting you, reminding you of your fullness that's just sleeping. Somehow you forgot.
And when is it?
It's November 8th.
And where? Where?
It's at Bicyclette Cookshop. It's so affordable. I really am so passionate about supporting women. So I made it very affordable. It's from 10:30 to 1:30, and we will have a phenomenal conversation of remembering who you are.
And how do they get tickets?
They can go to my website, which is BrittanyJoyLund.com.
Brittany Joy Lund, all one word?
Yes.
.com.
Yes.
And that's where they can get the tickets.
Yes, and my social is the same way. So all my socials are Brittany Joy Lund as well, and you can find the link there too.
Okay, ladies, go sign up right now. And remember, ladies, confidence, it's the single most beautiful thing a woman can wear every day. And we're gonna see you shopping at Shecanlove, joining the Ignite event.
Bye, ladies.
Bye-bye.